get this off. I'm not even sure if it's just sitting on there, bolted on, screwed on. I have no manual because I go online and download a manual. This is for the bike. And there, this is another part. I'm gonna clean this off here and see. Okay, there's splines on there. I should use a much crispier brush. Put some beef to it. Little wire brush here. I don't know. It's got splines. Question is what is it and how does it come off? See, how the hell does it come off? We get a brass over here. China brass. See? Am I breaking it? I don't know. Let's see. Camera up a little. Let's go like this. It's right here. Let's get a rubber hammer. A rubber mallet. Be right back. Oh, drop some. Let's try this. It appears to have moved, so maybe we can put some lube in here. Let's soak in, and we'll see. It's moving. Destroying my hammer, but okay, there we go. Move this out of the way. There we go. I don't know what the hell this is. Some type of flywheel that's got dirt in it. So goes on that side. I'm guessing it doesn't matter what side it goes on. We'll put that in the box. I'll clip this video on the other one. Okay. Let's wipe this off here. I'll polish this on the wire wheel and hopefully I didn't destroy the head of the bolts too much. Let's see. Lots of dirt. Not too bad. A little rust stains and stuff, but it's not terrible. Throw it on the buffing wheel, give it a little buff. Rough, tough, and then the buff. I could have vapor rust it one half at a time, but what's the point really? Put on the buffer, I'll buff this out. I'll buff this and I'll buff that. And I'll wire wheel the rest. I think I'll use a hand wire wheel. This is crazy, this is the axle for it. I gotta go online and see what the hell can be done with this axle. Is there any other things we could buy? Rear brake things. I know there's a rear brake setup you could buy. That is probably 12,000 times better than the other brakes. So I might look into that. So I hope you like this video. I'll stitch in the other one. Thanks for watching. Toodles.